Hi boys and girls, this is part 2 of creating a PowerPoint presentation. Now we're going to be looking at inserting images. Now for your second slide, it's a good idea to give an introduction or a background about the topic of your PowerPoint. Our PowerPoint is obviously about the layers of the ocean. I've already chose a new background for my slide using the process I showed you last time. I've got a heading up at the top and I have already got a little bit of information in here. Now, to insert an image, we can go up to the toolbar to the button that says Insert. We can then go to Pictures and we can then look at stock images. Okay, you can see there's loads of different images here, but we obviously want images about the oceans. So we're going to type in ocean, click enter, and there are loads of pictures here to choose from. So I'm going to go for this one, I think, of a orca, killer whale. And you can see I've then got this big image that takes up all my slides. I can change the size of this image by grabbing one of the handles, it doesn't matter what one it is, and pulling it in to make it smaller and out to make it bigger. But for now, I'm going to have it this side and I'm going to pop this in the middle there. Doesn't that look effective? Now, there's another way to do this as well. If you go to New Slide, you can see that there is a slide called To Content. You can click this, and instead of just typing in the text, if you look at the bottom, you can see that there are different options. You could even insert a table or a chart or some 3D models. But for now, we're going to insert a stock image this way. Again, going to Oceans, and some great pictures here that you can insert. And you'll see that it then fills up the text box that was there. You could then, again, this could be your introduction slide, and this is where you can type your information. So you have your picture and you have some text that complements it. So the ocean is made up of different layers. Can't type today. And again, you can do some cool effects on your images. You can see that at the slide, if I click the image, and if I right click, I can go to Format Picture. And there's a couple of cool things I can do. I can add on a shadow to my picture. Now it's quite light there, but you can just see there's a little wee shadow effect. You can add a reflection as well. You can put a glow on your picture, so you can see there's different colours, and you can make it bigger or smaller. That's quite cool. So a nice blue glow. You can also create soft edges, where it kind of blurs the edges of the picture. I can't really do anything 3D, I don't think, because it's not a 3D picture. Let's have a look. I've not tried this out before. Well, you can make some changes there. And you can also add in some artistic effects. And this can really change the whole look and feel of your picture. So there's some quite interesting ones in here. Now, boys and girls, really the key to using PowerPoint is just exploring and just having fun with it. I absolutely love making up PowerPoints, and I have since I was younger. So this would be my dream project if I was in primary 4 or 5. So just really play around with it, try and make it as exciting as you can. Just before the end of this video, I want to show you something called icons. Now this is really only on the newest version of PowerPoint, so you might or you might not have this. But if you go to Insert Icons, and it'll bring up some little wee symbols here that you can use, which are quite fun. So let's see if there's any animals. So you're just searching for what you're interested in. Here's lots of different animals. And again, here's another orca, or actually I might include an octopus. And there we go. You can include this here. You can change the colour again. And you can change the size, which is quite exciting as well. So boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm actually going to do a third video, so make sure you click on that as well. Bye for now.